Did Hong Kong just signal a major comeback for Asia's retail and tourism powerhouse?
October's retail sales surge shocked analysts Kending, and today we break down the numbers that matter.
Welcome to World Economic Lens, where we decode global economic trends with clarity and precision.
Let's dive into how Hong Kong achieved its sixth straight month of retail growth despite global economic uncertainty.
In October 2025, Hong Kong's retail sales jumped 6.9% year-on-year, reaching $35.2 billion.
In volume terms, retail sales increased by 5.3%, showing strong real demand.
This performance was even stronger than September's revised 6.0% growth. However, for the first 10 months of 2025, retail sales remained almost flat compared to the same period last year.
And retail sales volume actually fell 1.5% over the same period.
The real driver of October's surge was tourism, and the numbers speak for themselves.
Visitor arrivals soared 12.2% year-on-year to 4.59 million.
Mainland Chinese visitors, the biggest group, rose 10% to 3.45 million.
Jewelry, watches, clocks, and valuable gifts saw a strong 9.5% rise.
Clothing and footwear posted a modest 0.9% increase.
Department stores recorded 5.8% growth as domestic and tourist spending improved.
Medicines and cosmetics saw a strong rebound, with 12.1% growth.
In Valeries. But supermarket sales dipped 2.1%, partly due to cross-border shopping.
A government spokesman said improving tourism and consumer sentiment will continue supporting retail growth.
He added that the recovery momentum is likely to continue into the near term.
With tourism returning and retail spending rising, Hong Kong's economy is showing signs of genuine revival.
After years of challenges, Hong Kong's retail sector finally appears to be regaining strength.
Thanks for watching World Economic Lens, where the global economy comes into focus.